Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. In today's video, I am sharing a whole pomfret fish tawa fry. Soft, juicy inside with a beautifully crisp outer layer. Simple spices and big taste. So why wait? Let's get started. I have taken a whole pomfret fish. Now prepare the marinade. Take a plate and add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 egg, the juice of half lemon, and mix everything well. Once everything is mixed well, add a little oil for extra juiciness. Again mix it well and apply it evenly over the fish and inside the cuts. Make sure the masala goes into the slits as well. Now let the fish marinate for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, heat a tawa on medium flame and add oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Now carefully place the marinated pomfret onto the tawa. Cook it slowly for 5 to 6 minutes on one side until it turns golden and crisp. Now flip gently and fry the other side the same way. Finally, our crispy old pomfret tawa fry is ready. Serve it hot with lemon wedges and onion rings. Pomfret fish fry looks absolutely delicious and sure it's very tempting. If you love seafood, so get your fish and start cooking. So for more interesting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.